Hello friends, you are once again very welcome to Crazy Gadget, the world of amazing gadget and awesome invention. And the gadget that comes in today's video is very special. It is more effective and perfect in its work than it is amazing to see. So friends, get ready to meet these gadgets one by one. If the channel has not yet subscribed, then subscribe now and get the notifications. So let's start without any delay. Number 1. Bengal Digital Jewelry. Guys, it's made specially for girls. It is a smart bracelet of sorts which is very interesting bracelet. Within this, you can access the different designs and you can also customize it according to your own. From this, you will be able to access your social media notifications through this gadget. You can also customize it to be a smart watch. Moreover, your body temperature, heart rate, all these health related bracelets keep on showing you. Number 2. Lockout Charger. Guys, lockout charger which is a spy camera. It looks like a charger and you can also charge your smartphone, but it has a small camera which is hidden and the microphone is also built into it, in which you can inbuilt up to 16 GB to 32 GB memory card. And on any current board, you will be able to charge it on your smartphone by charging it, and you can see the footage recorded in the camera by transferring its data to your phone later. You can apply it in your shop, home or office for security purpose, which works in a very perfect way, and due to this charger being in shape, no man will be able to guess that it is a CCTV camera. Number 3. Phone cooling pad. Friends, often we play Free Fire or PUBG game etc. in mobile for a long time. Then our mobile becomes very hot due to forgetting the battery or the mobile being blasted, which is danger. You can use a cooling pad at this time. Connecting this gadget to mobile is also very easy. Because of this, as long as you play heavy games or play for a long time, this gadget will not let your mobile get heat, through which your mobile will always be cool. Number 4. Cruise Shine Ultra Scanner. Guys, this is a scanner that is very different from the rest of the scanner, because in the rest of the scanner you have to put the document on the scanner, but keep the scanner document under the scanner. It happens. Along with doing this very first scan, you can control it with your feet, and due to its small size you can carry it anywhere. Number 5. Fitbit Lonic. Guys, this is a smart watch. In this you can see all the activities of your body, or you can see your heart rate. You can see how many mile walk or how much calorie burn your body has burned through the day, as well as the time. You can do it. You can exist many popular apps in it. Also, you can see any notifications coming in your smartphone in the display of this watch. Number 6. Cosmo Communicator. Whatever features are launched in mobile, but it cannot beat the features of laptop or computer. In view of this, inventor created a gadget in which you can also use a mobile like a computer, which will work exactly like a computer. There is a small display on the outside in which you can put your popular app in the highlight. And if you want to type anything or access any application, then you can use the gadget of this method. Along with being small, it is very easy to carry it anywhere. It comes with 66 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal memory. If you want to type of devices in one device, then you can use this gadget. Friends, the link of all these gadgets is given in description box below. If you want to buy, you can buy from there, so please like the video as well as subscribe to the channel and get the notifications so that such fun gadgets can be seen by you first. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.